National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11 p.m. At 10:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Waterford North, or near Wind Lake, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Berlin, Muskego, Wind Lake, Vernon, Big Bend, and Waterford North. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe thunderstorms were located along